The environment is one of today's main issues, with all societies being concerned. Alstom has for years taken part in the environmentally responsible approach of developing comprehensive, non-polluting solutions for the sector of rail transport. Today, rail operators mostly use diesel trains to operate passenger service on non-electrified networks. Now, Alstom offers a CO2 emission-free regional train and a silent alternative, Coradia iLint. Powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, its only emission is steam of water and condensed water, while it operates with the lowest noise levels. Alstom is one of the first manufacturers worldwide to develop a passenger train based on such technology. Thanks to this technology, Coradia iLint enables sustainable train operation while its performance matches that of regular regional trains. Coradia iLint is special for its combination of different innovative elements: a clean energy conversion, a flexible energy storage capacity, and smart management of the traction power and remaining energy. The principle relies on a fuel cell, which produces the electric power. It's the core of the system. The fuel cell is supplied with hydrogen on demand. By combination of hydrogen with oxygen from ambient air inside, the fuel cell produces the electric energy needed to supply the vehicle. The efficiency of the system also relies on the storage of energy in high-performance lithium-ion batteries. They accumulate the energy not immediately used in order to later supply it as needed. This results in a better efficiency of the fuel consumption. Alstom has also designed a smart power and energy management system in order to instantaneously deliver power wherever needed in the train, resulting in greater independence of the vehicle. Since the electrical energy produced by fuel cell or recovered from braking is intelligently managed, Coradia iLint matches the range and performance of similar conventional regional trains, but with nearly no impact on the environment. To make the deployment of the Coradia iLint as easy as possible for operators, Alstom provides a complete offer consisting of the train itself, its maintenance, but also the whole hydrogen infrastructure out of one hand. Alstom develops Coradia iLint in partnership with renowned German and Canadian companies boasting many years of experience in the fields of hydrogen energy and batteries. This synergy around Coradia iLint enables Alstom to introduce this technological breakthrough in the near future. As early as 2018, the first Coradia iLint will be effectively in service in Germany. Today, with Coradia iLint, Alstom is taking a considerable step towards the rail of tomorrow.